Chloe and welcome to the vlog. So right now we're in our camper because it's our RV life and my king is cooking sockeye salmon. Look at that, that's beautiful. We bought that one in Fred Meyer supermarket. Because they don't have Costco nearby, so we just went to Fred Meyer.
And Costco might have had it too.
Yeah, but no Costco nearby. Costco. Look at how beautiful that salmon. Oh, he's gonna season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Too bad we don't have dill, but it's fine. We're gonna make it work, right, King?
Yeah.
And I did my part. I made the mashed potato. So that's his part. Cooking the salmon because I'm afraid I'm gonna overcook it. So voila. And whenever we do barbecue steak, right? Steak, barbecue steak, I always let him cook it because I don't know how to do it in his way. The medium rare. What do you want?
Medium rare.
Okay, medium
so
rare. So
half.
I'm so afraid to cook it. Okay. Yeah, because we can't eat the whole thing. That's a lot.
No, we're gonna. Yeah, we are.
We are?
Split it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, you're gonna put butter in the pan?
Olive oil.
Yeah, and butter too.
Oh, you want butter?
Yep. This is our camper. It's very small, but it's livable, right, King?
Yes, dear.
Alright. It's a little messy, but what are you gonna do? So it's okay. It's just very simple and easy meal. So he already put the olive oil and then the butter, and then he's cutting the sockeye salmon. That's their specialty in Oregon, right? The sockeye. Ow! Sorry about the screaming. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Ooh.
If it was fresh, you could have
Sushi.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to. Oh, we just used that one, so right? It's fine. So, so we're gonna. Right? You should use a bigger fork, King. Can you give me fork, King? Please. Look at my mashed potato. It's kind of mess, so I'm gonna. Oh, he's gonna try it. How is it?
You're gonna need to heat it up in the microwave.
Okay. You want it hot. He wants it hot. So I'm just gonna. It's pretty difficult when you're holding the camera and making this one appealing. Jesus. Okay. So he's putting it in the plate where you can microwave it because that plate is plastic. So, all right. Yeah, you can put it in the microwave. So everything is little. Look at our frying pan. It's so cute. It's so small. This is where we're gonna sleep. It's kind of mess, but this is my blanket. I love this blanket. And that's his blanket. Actually, our blanket, the blue one. This is really comfy because the texture, right? It's like so soft. And over there we don't have a uniform pillow. What are you gonna do? And look at my boss there.
I don't know if I should turn it over or...
You should, I think. And of course we have TV here, the microwave, and the full-size refrigerator for the RV.
Oh, how about the
What?
asparagus?
Oh, you want the asparagus too?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of food. So, okay, and asparagus too. Ta-da! Okay. Yes, it's almost done. and it's ready for dinner. What time is it? Oh, 5:57. It's really early to have dinner. Actually, it's 5:57 here. What time in the Philippines now?
It's 8:57 in the morning.
Oh, it's good evening in the Philippines and it's good
Yeah,
good
so
evening, good
you
morning
can,
in the Philippines. This is my meal now. Look at what I did in my mashed potato. And then the sockeye salmon, not too big because because I'm a little full, so sure. So that's my dinner for tonight. Ha ha ha.